Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need neon pony beads and black pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and you're going to need 10 pieces of string that measure about 6 inches, and then you'll need a long piece of string for the cuff part. You're going to start with putting on 10 pink beads. You're going to tie this tight. You'll cut this off. We'll go through this pink bead. You're going to add 3 pink, and we're going to go through every other bead. So we skipped this one and went through this one. You're going to add 3 pink, skip this bead and go through this one. And you're going to want to make sure your string is really tight. We're adding 3 beads, skip this one, go through this one. Add 3, skipping this bead, going through this one. We're going to add 3 pink, and we're going to go through this bead. Now what I want you to do, because we need 2 of each color, you would go ahead and tie this right here and cut it, but I already have my second one, so when you make the second color, instead of tying it right here, we're going to go up these 2 beads. So you'll go up a total of 3 beads, and then you're going to take your other star and go through one of the points. Then we'll go up this one. So you're making like a little loop. You'll pull this really tight, and then you'll tie it off here for the second one. Okay, now you can cut this off. And that's what it looks like. So you're going to need to stop the video and make each color that you want to use. Okay, so go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, for this step we're going to take 3 black beads, let those fall. You're going to do the end of, it doesn't matter either side, but just make sure it's the 2 bottom parts of the star. We're going to go through this pink bead. You're going to add 3 black, and then we'll go through this one. So this is what it looks like. We're going to add 3 black. We'll take our next color, go through the bottom, add 3 black, go through this. Add 3 black, Go through the bottom tip, add 3 black, go through this one, add 3 black, go through the bottom, add 3 black, go through the bottom tip there, okay, we're adding 3 black. We have our last color. We're going to go through this one, add 3 black, and go through this one. Now we need to pull everything down to this end over here. You want to leave some stretch, but you don't want it loose. So once you have those ends together, you can tie it. Go ahead and cut the small end off. Okay, we're going to go through these two black here. So the knots here that we tied, we're going to go through these two. And our pattern's going to be black, pink, black, and you're going to go through this middle black bead. We're going to repeat that, so black, pink, black, and we're going to go through this middle black bead. Now we're going to do orange. So black, orange, black, and you'll go through the middle black. We're going to repeat that. Go through this middle. Now we're on yellow. You'll go through this middle black. We'll repeat that. Now we're going to do green. You'll go through this middle. Go through that middle black. Now we're going to do blue. Go through this middle. And blue again. This time we're going to go through the middle black, the middle, and then these two right here to start the next row. So this is what it looks like so far. Now this row is just going to be 3 black, and then you're going to go through each color bead. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So you're just adding 3 black and going through each bead where there's a color. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. I added my last 3 beads, which were black. So for this row, we need to go through this pink and these 2 black right here. And what we're going to do is add 1 black, and we're going to go through the second point of the star. And then another black. And we're going to go through this black bead. Okay, for this one, you're going to add a black. We're going to go through this first one and then another black. And you're going to go through this middle black. Okay, we're going to add a black, go through this orange, add a black, and go through this middle one. So this is what we're doing here, and then you pull this tight. The next one, we're going to add black, go through the yellow, add another black, and then we're going through this middle one. Add a black, go through the yellow, add a black, and go through this middle. Pull it tight. Gonna add a black, go through the green, add a black, and go through this middle. Add a black, go through the green, add another black, go through this middle black. So you're just weaving the 2 bottom beads into the cuff. Add a black, go through the blue, add a black, go through this middle. We're going to add a black, go through the blue, and add another black. And you're going to go through this middle black bead. Okay, now we're going to add a black. We're going to go through the pink and add another black. And we're going to go through this middle black bead and this black. Whoa. And then we'll tie it right here. I'm going to make that tight. And cut that off. And then when you're done, you can just squeeze these little stars to line them up. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.